from Finney Electrical. On today's video, this is the Christmas party. Ho ho ho. Let's get into this. There we go, it's Friday, the last day of the week. And what we got is the staff party tonight, so it should be good. So we're taking him to Junkyard Golf, so it's like cocktails and like a crazy golf. And then we're off to some Michelin star Indian or something in Leeds, so that should be fun. So we're going to bring the girlfriend, so it should be good. Looking forward to it. So the lads need to finish on time today, so I've whizzed through all my jobs. It's 12:30 at the moment, and I'm on the way back. But I'm going to do a bit of shopping first, I think, and then we'll meet up with the lads later, and then we'll have a good time. Yeah, Yacht Designer Outlet, do some shopping. Bit of Timberland. Oh, all shopped out now. Let's see how Matt's doing then. Should we give him a ring? See if he answers, see if he's done his day's work. Or is he going to be late and miss the fun?
No, not too bad, not too bad.
Potentially, you're still as Matt potential employee, Sparky. You need to be upgraded to.
One of your other videos.
Yeah, you need to be upgraded. How are you getting on down there? Have you finished? Are you going to be late? What do you think?
No, all done already.
Oh, look at that! One down, one to go.
Oh, yeah.
I know, he's an absolute flyer today. John has saved up all his holidays, so he's got like 2 weeks off before Christmas, hasn't he? Looking forward to tonight then?
I am, yeah. Looking forward to it. It's going to be a good night, to be fair.
Should be good. Right, I'll see you a bit later then, buddy.
Right,
See you later. Bye bye. Right, we'll try Brian now. Oh, I've just noticed everything's overexposed. Hey up, Brian, how we doing?
How about you?
Good. I got you on camera. How you done today? Are you finished now?
You've got me on camera?
I've got you on the video.
Yeah, I'm on my way to Ossett now.
On his way to Ossett. Look at that. What do you think? You got about an hour left?
Hopefully, yeah. I'm trying to get out of this bit. Go around in circles now.
Hopefully you're done for 3:30 then.
Oh, hopefully. Unless it's another issue.
That is the plan. Brian's doing a bit of fault finding, so we'll see. We shall see if he turns up. Time will tell. Here we go, all shopped out then. Leeds, here we come. Right, we got into Leeds early. We've got the turkey hat on. We're ready to go. But yeah, I'm just going to get some work done on the laptop before we meet the lads at 7. Got a couple of hours, and look, we've got another 200 degrees coffee. Let's do this. We're on hole 2 and I forgot to film. This is Lucy with a par 3, I think. Look at that. Whee! I got a hole in 2, I got a 3, Sarah got a 2. Halfway through, so we had the Only Fools and Horses van, we've had the launch pad, we've had Jake the car. Now it's time for a bit of garage.
Right, okay, so in 8th position, and apologies, I feel like Jonah possibly sneaks through there with his unspecified number of shots on the first hole. However, in 8th place with +8, Christine. And then in 7th place with +5, Jonah. In joint 5th,
Me
and Lucy.
Oh, it's me.
In 4th position, Sarah.
Well done, Sarah.
In 2nd position, is that right? 3rd? No, 3rd position, Brian. 2nd position, Matt.
Well done.
Obviously, because it's with -5, 3 above everybody else.
Oh.
James Finney.
Thank you all for coming. I don't know. You just hit the ball.
One they will always remember, and the game of golf will never forget.
Oh, this is South. I'm gonna say South African, South Indian cuisine. Look at this little beef. That's a little bit of beef right there, isn't it? What have you got, Matt? Chicken. There you go, a bit of chicken tikka masala now. Look at that little festive meal.
I don't know if it is chicken tikka masala, to be fair.
Right, let's give it a go then. It is good. That is some authentic mush. Right, Matt's gone for the volcano. That's giving me like turkey Twizzlers or turkey dinosaurs with the bean volcano. I'll go for the opposite. Look at that. There we go. Apparently I got a doppelganger at the bus stop. Look at this. How weird is that? I'm gonna know this guy's name. That is literally me. This is great. Look. It's off for a trip. There we go. So this is the end of the staff night out. This is everyone. It was a very good career, I must admit. But yeah, this is all we've got time for today then. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification so you know when next upload. As always, have good from me and everybody else. Sarah's hiding, I will see you on the next one.